Hey guys, welcome to Dave Ross's Razz number 20. It is for Elite 2017 Elite Jackbird Indigenous Parallel number 54. Good luck everyone. We'll just go live. Okay, time is 7:19. Just grab everyone's names. Start at the top here. There we go. Down to oh Jesus, hang on. What have I done here? Come on, go up. Okay, copy that in. 55 down the bottom, Adam Gersbach. Number 1, Scott Kramer up the top. Okay, we'll roll the dice. What have we got here? 6. Okay, 7:19. Good luck everyone. Dave asked me to apologise for the mix-up on postage as well. He forgot to add that in. So, as per Brett's post, which is from both of us, when you do request a Razz, obviously still go through us, either myself or Brett. Put admin approved in the post, and postage included, whether it be registered or whatever. Just so everyone knows, guys, we won't have that mix-up again. So, sorry for the confusion, but all good. Okay, that's number 4. Didn't press it that time. Hope everyone's having a good Friday night. Those breaks will go ahead tomorrow night if all paid for and filled. So, 68 will go ahead tomorrow if paid for. And 69 will also go ahead after that if it's paid for and filled as well. 5 times, 720. We rolled a 6, so good luck guys. Last roll. Okay. Got 6 times, 721. We rolled a 6, and our winner, by unanimous decision, is Aaron Buckland. So, congratulations mate, Aaron Buckland. 6 times, 721, rolled a 6. So, thanks again guys, much appreciated. If you can get in contact, Aaron, with Dave, that'd be great, and give him your details. Thanks guys, I'll see you later.